Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful Laddu Gopal ji dress for 5 number. For making this, I am using acrylic yarn, white beads, needle and thread, scissor and 3 number crochet hook. I already made choli and ghera. For making this, you can follow pattern as I made in my last video. I have added the link of video in my description box. Now we will work ahead. I completed my 6th round here. Now we will work chain 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 stitches 1, 2, 3. In 4th stitch I will make a double crochet. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet and fifth double crochet. So 5 double crochet in one stitch. Now I will take this yarn like this, so it will look like a bud. Now one chain, again chain 1, 2, 3, so total 4 chain. Now skip 1, 2, 3 stitch. In 4th stitch 1 single crochet, again chain 1, 2, 3 chain. Now skip 1, 2, 3. In 4th I will make a double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet. Pull this yarn from the first double crochet like this, one chain, again 1, 2, 3 chain. This is our second bud. Now skip 1, 2, 3 and in 4th stitch 1 single crochet, again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3. In 4th I will work 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take this yarn from the first double crochet. Now one chain, again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3. In 4th stitch 1 single crochet. So we will get these type of buds. So I will follow same pattern all around and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will skip 1, 2, 3. I will connect it here at the starting point by single crochet. Now in second round I will add my another color. And I will cut my last color. Now triple crochet just down to the bird. In double crochet I will, from the first front post I will make a triple crochet. Now in this chain gap I will work double crochet, 1, second double crochet, third double crochet, and fourth double crochet. So I will work 4 double crochet in this chain gap. Now triple crochet from the bud, the first chain gap here in center of the bud I will make a triple crochet. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, pass through these 2 loops, make a single crochet. Again triple crochet from center of bud, again in this chain gap I will work double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and fourth double crochet. So 4 double crochet in this chain gap. Now again triple crochet from the same stitch, from the starting same stitch I will make a front post triple crochet. So this is our first petal. Again triple crochet from the first double crochet down to the bud, in this chain gap 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 1 triple crochet from center of the bud, chain 1, 2, 3, pass through these 2 loops, make a purl by single crochet. Again triple crochet in center of the bud, in this chain gap 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 1 triple crochet from front post from the first stitch, like this. We will get this type of design. So I will follow same pattern all around and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the starting point by slip stitch. Now I will cut the yarn. Now it's looking like this. Now I will add white beads in center of bird with the help of needle and thread. Like this. So I will add beads all over and complete my work. I have attached beads all around. Now our 5 number Laddu Gopal ji dress is ready. You can make it in any size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.